Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Then find the settings option and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the system option and tap on it to enter. Now scroll down, find the option called connectivity, and once you find it, tap on it and here select the Wi-Fi. Then scroll down and tap on My Networks. And in the My Networks menu, you will see a list of networks you are connected to right here. And we have two networks we are connected to because below we have search for networks. But basically, if you're connected to any networks, they will appear right here above search for networks. And if you want to disconnect from the network, tap on one. You want to disconnect from then tap on remove and tap on the check mark to confirm, and the network will disappear, and it means that you're disconnected from it. And then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.